Hello May. This morning, opening the window, the sun was shining right into the room, the birds were chirping, the trees were swaying in the wind. Take a deep breath. Ah, the scent is so familiar. It's true that May has come. Every time May visits, many bittersweet memories also come back. When I was a child, I always looked forward to May to have a summer vacation, roam, go back to my hometown, and rest for an entire summer. It was really nice. But as we grow up, we realize May is the month of separation. Every time we see the phoenix flower bloom, the melodies of goodbye to school years are played. To pity passing the pages of the guest book to each other, and then burst into tears, when tomorrow was no longer a student. In life, everyone will go through it, everyone knows the moments and turns in life, but they still can't tell their hearts not to be sad, when tomorrow is the last class. And we are no longer children. The sweltering May of the intense sunshine was like pouring fire. Summer is really nice, but the intense sunshine makes it impossible to love. In that sweltering summer, I don't know how many times my mother stayed up at night to fan me to sleep. May is also the month of sudden showers, rushing in and taking away giggles, rain showering memories, and playing and raining. Take away the childhood that we can't return to, even if we wanted to. Gentle May of the moonlit nights. Being able to play in the moonlight, singing along with the kids, listening to grandma tell stories, don't need electric lights, don't need internet. How simple happiness is. May is also bustling with the sound of cicadas. But without that sound, what would be summer? I still remember the moments, when I invited the kids to catch cicadas together, to find the shell of cicadas for nothing but fun. May is brilliant with red phoenix flowers, but combined with the gentleness of purple giant crepe myrtle, making the scene very harmonious. I don't know when those two flowers are associated with school years. May now, we are not as happy as before. In May, we are busy worrying about the upcoming end of school exams. We don't have summer vacation anymore. We no longer pay attention to the red of the phoenix, the purple of the giant crepe myrtle. We ignore the showers. We are uncomfortable with the sweltering sun. We can no longer be fanned by my mother to sleep. We are so engrossed in the cycle of life, so we inadvertently forget how happy we were when summer came. That's right, we are adults. We don't have time to indulge in memories anymore. Many times we silently blame, being an adult is tiring. We just want to be a carefree child when May comes. We just want to be protected and cared for by our parents. But how selfish that is. Then we have to grow up. But don't hate May, because, in May, we realize we've grown up, more mature. Thank you, May of those years, and hello to May at present. Let's bring good things for everyone.
Subscribe to continue listening to my English radio where I will share interesting things from life. I love you. I'm Honey.